Hello everybody, my name is Sam, aka Samster, and today I wanted to show you my update on the 1960 93F Saab. As you can see by the slideshow, multiple things have been done to it, including a full new suspension, and when I say new, I mean from the 96 donor car. The rear axle's been done, all the flex lines are actually new. The front two half shafts and hubs have been replaced, along with new flex lines there as well. New hard lines in the front that are actually from the 96 as well. And then there's also a couple of things of like the junctions, the brass junctions for the hard lines. They are all hooked up now. And I have reverted my past quote that I was saying that I was going to use the Saab 96's master cylinder. I am not. I tried and I figured out there was going to be a clearance issue in between the transmission. So I rebuilt the 93's original one and it worked good and decided to hook it all up this evening, bleed it, pressure bleed it. After a little while, this ended up happening. We now have really good brakes. We also welded a few things that were an issue when it came to the sheet metal of where the engine mounted. Here's a little video of that. So next step is pretty much mount in the engine and do the wiring harness, but the wiring harness is actually not as necessary as just installing its heart. So thank you guys for watching. More updates to come, of course, and let's hope that we have an engine in here next time we see it.